couple things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty?
那个西装哥帮你挡住它 ，OK， 很好，我帮你挡住它，非常好。哇哇哇！
So good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health. But I don't wanna spend another night by myself. Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. Why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed to me? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed in me? Why would I go and hide the truth?
进我们的大国景 ，Cheers！